Today you are here in the Veneto Eye Bank Foundation to talk about the new classification of corneal dystrophies that you have developed. What is the significance of this important scientific achievement?
I think the significance is to make it easier for doctors to describe these diseases in an accurate way. By doing so, this will help us to make correct diagnoses for patients, and this will also help researchers in being able to correctly diagnose and correctly do the right research to lead to the causes and hopefully treatments of these diseases.
What are the possible advantages for patients?
Well, one advantage for the patients is that the classification system with photos and description of the diseases is now listed on the internet. It's listed in English and Spanish and German and unfortunately not yet Italian, but I hope that will come soon. And the website is www.corneasociety.org. And if a doctor is in a room with a patient or a patient has been told something about their disease, you can go on the website, and on the bottom of the website it has the IC3D classification, and very simply a description with all the important parts of the disease are located here on anyone's computer. It's accessible. For patients also, if this helps us describe the diseases more accurately, I believe it will help us do research more accurately, which the goal is to lead to understanding and hopefully a prevention or cure of the diseases.
What does it signify for you to be here today?
I love Venice, and I very much respect what you've done in this eye bank throughout Europe. It's something to look up to, and we know about it and regard it very highly in the United States. So it's an honor to be able to speak to the ophthalmologists at this meeting today.
Thank you very much.